Apecoin, suitably named after an exceptionally well-known creature in exchanging circles, is a cryptographic money motivated by the renowned NFT assortment, the Exhausted Gorilla Yacht Club. This ERC-20 symbolic sort of is utilized for administration purposes in the chimp environment. Chimp drives the local area that is money working at the front of Web3. Apecoin holders will actually want to conclude what heading the biological system will create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO subsidizes will be conveyed. 62% of all primate tokens were distributed to the Apecoin biological system store. They will be utilized to complete the undertaking's different drives. In spite of the fact that Apecoin has a genuine worth, its association with a NFT reserve makes many treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin. Amazingly, financial backers have separated assessments on the Apecoin digital money, with some being solidly behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in no time. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will attempt to recognize both of these sides, and endeavor to make a cost conjecture that will figure out some kind of harmony between the two polarizing conclusions on chimp coin. Kindly for the most part recall that the items in this video don't comprise venture counsel, and that you ought to constantly do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any crypto. Presently, how about we make a plunge? Apecoin specialized investigation. There are a couple of justifications for why it is unimaginably difficult to truly make Apecoin cost expectations. Its central worth as a token, first of all, is attached to a publicity-subordinate task, a NFT assortment. Albeit the Exhausted Primate Yacht Club is one of the greatest activities of its sort and has been explicitly gotten by fundamentally numerous famous people, it has previously begun declining in prominence. Obviously, the undertaking isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the sort of rich and truly popular at in-person parties, about supporting a stage cools things in the blockchain business, and much genuinely more. Albeit by and large numerous thoughts behind NFTs are mind-blowing in principle, many individuals explicitly are not as enamored with them, practically speaking, in an unpretentious manner. The worries we hear most frequently by and large are genuinely legitimate: elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc. in an unobtrusive way. Notwithstanding, some of them are now being settled. Presently it's simply a question of changing the public's insight. At the hour of composing, all specialized markers generally were showing areas of strength for a pattern for Apecoin, with the Primate USD pair getting areas of strength for a signal on most specialized examination stages. There's no adage the way in which Apecoin will basically act from now on, yet it is clear it's siphoning at present. Apecoin value forecast 2022, which especially is genuinely huge. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Apecoin will generally be $5.86941. The greatest level that the gorilla cost can reach is $6.64934 in a significant manner. The very normal exchanging cost is normal around $6.13939. Gorilla value conjecture for September 2022. In view of the value changes of Apecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical gorilla pace of $5.61944 in September 2022. Its sort of least and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $5.07949 and at $5.77942, separately. October 2022, Apecoin value conjecture. Digital money specialists explicitly are prepared to essentially report their estimate for the primate cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $5.57944, while the most extreme could reach $6.05939 during this month. By and large, it certainly is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $5.84942, which is very huge. Gorilla value gauge for November 2022. Incredibly, crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Apecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal chimp rate they foresee may be around $5.9594 in November 2022. It can drop to $5.68943 as a base. In every practical sense, greatest worth may be $6.34937. December 2022, Apecoin value figure. Around mid-year 2022, the gorilla cost will be exchanged at $6.13939 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Apecoin worth to $6.64934. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $5.86941 in December 2022. Apecoin value forecast 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Apecoin will be around $8.67913. The greatest expected chimp cost might be around $10.37896. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $8.919111 in 2023. Apecoin value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Primate is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $12.72873 and $14.82852, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $13.08869. Apecoin value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Apecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base gorilla cost could drop to $19.05809, while its kind of most extreme can reach $22.47775. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $19.57804. Apecoin value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least gorilla costs are normal in 2026, $33.11669 and $26.37736. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $27.35726. Apecoin value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists basically are continually examining the changes of Apecoin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical gorilla cost will be around $38.23618, which by and large is genuinely critical. It could drop to at least $36.866.